Hey guys, welcome to Mybartender. Today we'll be teaching you how to make the watermelon margarita. First, add 3 watermelon cubes to your cocktail shaker and muddle. Next, add ice to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Next, add 1 ounce of triple sec. Next, add 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, add a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Now shake until well chilled. Next, rim your margarita glass with salt and add ice. Now pour. Finally, garnish with a lime wheel and a watermelon wedge. And that's how you make the watermelon margarita. Enjoy.